receive 71 piece socket toolbox. Looks really good. And one side they have millimeter size, the other side they have CAE sizes. They have extension bar, they have longer extension bar, and they have 6 points wrenches, same way as the millimeters and inches CAE. This socket not 6 points, this socket has 12 points bolt, but you also can use for the 6 bolt. How you will know what side is millimeters or CEA? You just will know by the color. The blue one is a millimeter sizes, this one is a CEA. You can use both ways. So I have 2 different Milwaukee wrenches, torque wrench. So the first one I will show you. You can use by the extension bar, which is you put an extension bar first, then you put a socket on it, inside it. Then you can use it. Or the other way, if you use this kind of type of torque wrench, you don't need to use this extension. You don't need to use the extension. You just put a socket on it. Okay? And you can use it like this. One socket we have, and we're gonna try to tie it up. You hold it one way. You can use with the adjustable wrench, or there you go. And we can use different way. Also, we can use with the extension. Both works good.